Join us today as we spend a drizzly sea day aboard the Carnival Venezia before our first port on our 9-day cruise out of Manhattan.
We're Rich and Robin,
And these are our midlife adventures.
living in and out of our midlife van.
Night number 2.
Night number 2.
And we are headed to
We're going to go to the steakhouse.
Fahrenheit 555. We missed the captain's toast, but we got a picture with the captain before dinner.
We got a selfie with the captain. Early,
Yeah, so we didn't totally miss it. What did you get, Rich?
Robin, we got the little baby slider chef special with a little pickle on it.
Big hands, little burger. A little pork belly.
Yes,
And
that
now,
we didn't take a picture of.
what do you have?
This is a tuna tartare.
Tuna tartare, and is that an egg on top?
Kind of looks like it.
Yep.
Yes, it is.
And of course, Caesar salad. I got the prime rib and you got the
Cowboy.
yeah. And mac and cheese. That's okay. Look at that steam. Perfect.
Thank you.
We had a delicious dinner in the steakhouse.
The food was really good.
The Fahrenheit 555.
Steaks were good. The appetizers were good. The
service was
not so good.
It wasn't
unfortunately
horrible. It wasn't great.
It wasn't
like we've had in the past.
No. I mean, it was. But for a premium place, it was.
For
bad.
a premium place, it was bad.
It was bad. I mean, because it just seemed like they were rushing us all the time.
Yeah.
It just seemed like every time we were getting close to finishing, they're like over our shoulders and just like, when I finished first, they were trying to clear my plate while Robin's still eating, which you don't normally do that.
They brought us the bill and we were still eating.
Yeah.
I've never had anyone bring me the bill when I'm still eating, not even at a non-premium house.
And normally, as soon as you take like a couple sips of water, then they're refilling it. And then it seems like, on my glass, it kept on being empty, so. But then
when they brought Rich's steak,
there was a piece of garlic that was like oil soaked on top, and she squeezed it, she went to pick up the steak, squeezed it, and it just like did a beeline and just shot right over my shirt.
Yeah, the tongs. She squeezed it with the tongs, and it just
shot right over my shirt. And then she was
like, "Oh, sorry."
I'm sorry, and then it's like, okay, then I go,
that was it.
Can I get something to, clean it off? And then she brought, like
the other lady brought
blank,
something.
Just a dry napkin. And then I go, how about some water? And she's, let me put some water on it. And then after that, nothing. Nothing at all. So I, tried to blot it out as best I can, and it's not. It needs to be clean. And unfortunately, they don't have a
laundry room here.
And so I'm like, well, this is the only long sleeve I brought.
Right.
And we're still going to be in New York for a couple days. So then I spoke to the manager after, and she was really apologetic. And then she offered, she goes, hey, can we send your shirt out for cleaning? So stuff like that, But going back to service, it's just, you pay $50 extra per person for the steakhouse. You expect higher service. You expect better than buffet, service. So it's.
But the food was delicious.
Food was really good.
Once again,
really good. But unfortunately,
it was just a miss with the servers. But that's just the roll of the dice.
It didn't screw our night. So we went and saw a comedy show.
We did.
Yeah, Sean again.
It was really good.
We watched a little bit of the Motown.
Mark Hugh did a little Motown thing.
Pretty good.
In the atrium, so we watched that a little bit, and then we just poked into the piano bar. Still didn't seem like the piano bars we've been to off cruises. And then we poked our head into the vintage pop show, which is... Ooh, we hit something, Rich?
I hit a whale, Robin.
I don't think we hit a whale, but it felt like we hit something. Did we lose a propulsion device?
Yes.
Okay.
We lost an Aussie pod.
Aussie pod. Can we look at the camera and take a picture? It was all right, but
just kind of made us start to go to sleep.
Yeah. So we will have another sea day tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. So on our way down to Miami, and then day after tomorrow we should be in Miami and check it out.
Yep. So stick around for more of the Carnival Venezia. Slow morning today, Rich. So a little fruit and pastries and some orange juice.
Delivered. How much was it, Robin?
$0.
$0.
We tipped her though.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
But for the convenience not to get up and going this morning because I'm just not feeling it after too much food last night.
Good. You're still in the comatose.
I just wanted orange juice, but I thought maybe a little food to go with the orange juice. And a little orange juice to go with the mimosas. Oh, yeah. Well, we have our mimosas in hand.
Yes. Good morning, Robin.
Good morning, Rich. Since we had our room service delivered of the orange juice, we brought on our bottle of Prosecco.
Yes.
And so now let's go explore the ship.
See what we haven't seen.
This is day 3 of the cruise, but this is our second cruise day.
Yeah, our second day at sea.
Our second sea day.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Room service wasn't quite enough, so we headed to the buffet. Rich's favorite spot.
Not open yet.
No, too early. Eggs, meat, omelet bar, cheese omelet, ham omelet, vegetable omelet, fried eggs.
The same as the other?
Yeah, I just know people here so I can get a picture. Got some chocolate milk, Rich. So, fruit. Sticky buns, Rich. Getting a little warmer, Rich. I might have to strip this.
I can't believe you're on doing a sweater.
I think I'm going to have to strip the sweater off today.
Well, you may want to wait till we get to the room.
Oh. You going to go on the water slide today?
No. After we go on the rope thing.
So this is the terrazzo area, Rich. They have 2 spas. And then the private deck with some clamshells and chairs for the people that are in the terrazzo rooms.
Where are they?
Where are the people? In their rooms still, recovering from last night. So if you get those rooms down there, Rich, people can look at you from up here. They can look down on you.
They can look down on you.
Okay, taking off the sweater. So we can go back up to the deck and do some laps.
We're getting more south. So.
It's getting a little humid.
Yeah, we're actually like in line with Florida. So we're already down here.
We are in the south.
It's nice. It's not as cold, Robin.
It's a little sticky.
Yeah, it's humid.
Let's go for a walk. So I changed my clothes and came out for a walk, and now it's raining, Rich.
Yeah, it's a short walk.
Yeah.
Well, time to put her swimsuit on then, right?
Let's try deck 5, the promenade, Rich.
So we're gonna go from our secret spot on 7, go down to 5?
Yeah, and 5 is partially covered, just not in the front. In the back it is. We'll see how damp it is there. We stayed in an interior room on deck 8. Check out our room tour after this video. We're gonna go on the left side this time instead of the right side. Ready? Whoa, what's that? Okay, back inside, abort. The wind swell there was a little much.
Your shirt's all.
Let's go back to the stairs and go down to 5 inside. No outside stairs today, Rich. They're wet and windy. Could be a little dangerous. I think we got a little water on the lens here.
We missed the window, huh?
We missed the window. Plan C is to walk indoors, Rich. All the way indoors. Not just outside with a cover over our roof, but bless you. Or we can go shopping. I see a bird flying, like, and it's going the same speed as the ship. Where'd it go? Let's try it, Rich. See if we can get down to the other end of the ship from here.
Doesn't seem as bad.
Not as bad as the bow. A little bit. Sun's back out, Rich.
Yeah.
For a moment, but look at those gray skies.
There's those waves out here. You want to sit in the...
Ma'am? No, I want to walk. Right, the wind's kind of pushing us, but it's a little slippery, so be careful. Okay, Rich, back into the lounge. Push. Back to walking inside, but it's a little less crowded outside where people know how to stay to the right. Yeah. She was from England, Rich. Since it was raining outside, played a little video blackjack, Rich.
And you went for a while.
Quite a while on $30. We had lunch in the main dining room for the pasta bar.
And that worked out pretty good.
Yeah.
Carbonara.
We had our carbonara that we really like, and Rich is already done with his caprese. They had a good caprese salad and tomato soup, and the 7-layer cake was, it was big though.
Yeah, it was.
Didn't get a picture of our carbonara, but it was lovely.
It was good.
And now we're gonna have some dessert, 7-layer chocolate cake.
With a little coffee cream or something like that.
Coffee cream. So this is the same cake they have on the dessert menu at the Sea Day brunch up in the Grand Canal. And then we did a little walking around, got some more steps in and more floors in.
Putting a lot of steps and a lot of floors in.
Which is good because then we had a little more dessert in the buffet.
Yeah,
because they had the dark chocolate cake, which is really good. A lot smaller than that 7-layer cake.
Which is good.
Dessert after dessert.
And that's why we have to keep walking. And all you need is a taste.
Did you hear that? We're not really rocking. We're just kind of
crashing
slamming
into,
into things a little bit.
These waves are like crashing into us.
Yeah, I mean it's not that.
We're in the front of the boat.
Yeah, the movement's not bad. It's just loud.
Yeah.
And then we
went to the comedy show.
To
see Sean Kent again.
Yeah,
And
he's really good.
He is really good.
And did a little bit of the non-smoking casino.
Yes.
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 Tonight is the Broadway hits, Broadway favorites, Broadway what?
Hits, I think. In
the theater after our dinner in the main dining room. So we'll check that out and see how that goes.
Yep.
Check in with us later on this is our second full sea day here on the Venezia.
Yeah, go back to dinner tonight at our regular spot or our assigned seat.
Yes.
Robin, day 3.
No. Day 3 is done,
Day
Rich.
3, check. Day 3 was good. Another day at sea.
Yeah.
As a reminder.
We just had dinner in the main dining room, which was really good.
It was good.
So after dinner, we saw a Broadway, what did it say, Broadway hits, maybe?
Yeah, Broadway
It was
hits.
a really good show.
It actually was pretty good. I think I recognized 1 or 2 things.
Yeah, I was trying to tell Rich which song was from. And then we saw a comedy show again.
We saw Courtney again.
Very good.
And he was good. He was really good this time.
It's nice that on this ship so far, the comedians have had a different show each day instead of repeating.
They repeat the same day. And so they do an early show and a later show.
But they don't repeat the same stuff 2 different days. So that's nice.
Yep.
And then we just popped around piano bar, atrium, and
just
the
kinda
rock
check
band,
out,
the boat band, the Venezia band.
Yeah, something like that.
So saw a few
Venezia
different
rock band.
Yeah, so we saw a few different musicians play. So that was kind of cool. Thanks for following along on these 2 days of cruising, or 2.5. So
2.5 days at end of day 3, and then where are we gonna be tomorrow?
Tomorrow we're going to be in Miami. So stay tuned to see where we end up. We have no plans.
Because we don't know.
So see what the weather takes us. I don't think it's going to be a beach day, but maybe we'll go to Little Havana.
Yeah, we'll check out a couple sites. We've been to Miami.
Just to the beach and walk the beach for about an hour.
Touch the beach and then continued on down.
Yeah, so no plans for Miami, but we'll see where it takes us tomorrow.
And then we got to do more research on the other 3 ports.
We do.
So.
Join us next time as we arrive at our first port, Miami.